Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou for another full walk around the stadium, taking a closer look at how this massive rebuild continues to progress day by day. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds. It really helps the channel grow and keeps us motivated. We begin today's update on the lateral side of Spotify Camp Nou, where progress is currently the most visible. Near the parking ramp, retaining walls are now fully concreted, and formwork panels have been removed across most sections, leaving only small areas still to be finished. Along the facade, ceramic louver installation continues steadily. Lifting platforms are positioned along the lower section that forms the false ceiling, with new louvers being lifted, carefully aligned, and secured from below. Protective plastic remains on recently installed panels, while additional louvers are staged nearby, ready for installation. From here, we move on to the north goal, where work remains focused mainly on structural preparation and interior progress. Much of the formwork is still in place compared to other areas of the stadium, showing that this section is slightly behind in the finishing sequence. Protective netting continues to limit visibility, but movement can still be spotted along internal beams and corridors. One of the most important developments here is the appearance of new louver supports in the central section, signaling that facade preparation at the north goal is now moving forward. If you're enjoying these calm, section-by-section updates, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds so you don't miss any of our daily construction coverage. We now make our way to the Tribuna, where progress feels more refined and detailed at this stage of the project. Several compression ring pillars are visible in different stages of formwork, showing continued advancement of one of the stadium's most critical structural systems. Prefabricated seating units are arriving regularly, and entire sections of the third tier are now moving closer to completion. Finally, we reach the south goal, which is now structurally well advanced. Louver support connections have been installed across all bracket levels, and behind the facade, interior walls have now been painted black. This gives us a much clearer preview of the final visual appearance in this section. Diagonal support elements continue to be installed, helping define the geometry of the facade. That's going to wrap up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Progress continues across all sides of the stadium, even if changes are more subtle at this advanced stage of the rebuild. Every step brings this iconic venue closer to its final form. Thanks for watching today's Megaverse Builds video. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon with another full update from the Camp Nou.